Hi loves, welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today we're gonna create 4 super easy gorgeous hairstyles for this holiday season or for every day as well too. So we'll start with dividing our hair with a diagonal parting and make 2 ponytails. One is a little higher and second one is lower like I'm showing. Then grabbing our higher ponytail, we want to make an opening through the lower one and bring the ponytail through it like that. Now we want to gather these ponytails together, tie them with a clear elastic, make an opening through the bun created and bring the ends of the ponytail through it again. Then you want to make an opening through the higher ponytail and bring the ends through it too. Now you want to tie the ends, this way you'll secure it and pin it underneath. Then you want to use some grips and bobby pins to pin in place your bun and create like an infinity sign of this bun and pin it well in place using grips and bobby pins, and you're done. For the second hairstyle, we want to select first our side, leave them away for later, and with the rest you want to make a middle ponytail. Now you want to gather your side sections, make sure everything is nice and smooth, crisscross them over the ponytail and tie it underneath like that. Now you want to tie another elastic onto your ponytail, but the last time make sure to pull your hair halfway through. And now you want to hide the ends under the bun, pull it a bit and fix it well in place with grips and bobby pins like that. And you're done. Elegant and chic and so easy to recreate, right? For the next one, we want to gather our side sections, tie them both in the back and create a topsy tail with it. Now you want to gather all the rest of your hair and tie it, creating kind of a low ponytail. Now you want to divide this ponytail into 3 sections and make with them 3 equal simple 3-strand braids like that. Now you want to tie them together and bring them into your topsy tail and fix it with grips or bobby pins, and you're done. For the last but so easy hairstyle, you want to smooth out your hair using a comb and tie a low ponytail. Then I'll use this thing, but you can make instead a topsy tail but downwards to bring your hair up to create this volume. Then you want to tie again your ponytail like I'm showing and create again a topsy tail with it and pull it. Then grabbing the rest, you want to pin them underneath and pin it from the sides if you need, and you're done. Guys, tell me please in comments down below which of these hairstyles was your favorite. Also don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles channel because I have so many ideas. But that's it for today, and you know guys, I love you so much and see you soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye!